Okay, so on this question, let me put in the wall of separation here. The equal sign is separating the left side and the right side. Okay, so we're dealing with a formula, meaning we have lots of letters, not just one letter, not just X and then a bunch of numbers, but actually a whole bunch of different letters, a formula. And they can pick any letter to ask us to solve for. They're asking us to solve for A. It wants to get the A alone. Okay, so how do we get the A alone? So the main thing is to kind of focus on that. So here's the A. I'm going to circle it just to help our eyes really focus on it. So we're trying that. It's like that capital A right there is yelling out, I want to be alone. Get rid of all the stuff that is with me so that I can be alone. And so to get this capital A alone, going to have to get rid of the BY, and we're going to have to get rid of the X, aren't we? And then the capital A can be alone. So we will start by getting rid of the BY. So I'm going to subtract BY, right? Because we always do the opposite. The opposite of an added BY is to subtract BY. Like so, boom and boom. Okay. And bring this down. AX equals C minus BY. And the C minus BY just needs to stay that way. We can't really combine C minus BY in any way, can we? We good so far? Now, we're almost there. A saying, I want to be alone. Get rid of this X. So how do we get rid of the X? I think you know. We're going to divide, because it's whenever two letters are right next to each other, like A and X are with no symbol in between, no plus sign, no minus sign. We know that means times. That's A times X. And the opposite of times is divide. So I'm going to have to divide by the X, actually, because I want the A alone. So I'm getting rid of the X. Now, how do you divide the other side? Well, there's two ways to do it. You can divide both of them separately. So cancel both of them separately like that. Or if you prefer, you could do it in one big bar. Do you know it's the same? It's the same and good either way. Either one of those is the right answer. So the right answers would be this or this. Both are good. Let me do a better job. Box, I can answer. Yeah, both of those are right. Either of those, they're really saying the same thing. See why they're saying the same thing? Because this is saying both of them individually are divided by an X, or together they're both divided by an X. See that bar goes all the way? So that means they are together over the X. It's the same thing. In both cases, it means both are divided by the X, by one big bar or by two separate bars. It's good either way. And so we did it. We got A alone. There we go.